I'll teach you guys how to round with decimals. So we'll be rounding to the nearest tenth. So let's get started. Okay, at the end of the video, I will be showing you guys the whole method, so stay tuned. Okay, now let's get started. So since we're rounding to the nearest tenth, let's underline the tenth digit. Alright, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at the next digit. If it is 5 or more, you're gonna add one more. But if it is 4 or less, you're gonna let it rest. So since this number 9 is more than 5, we're gonna add one more. So so the 4 is gonna turn into a 5. So our answer is gonna be 0.5. Simple as that. Alright, now let's take a look at another example. If you do not understand it, we have one more example. Okay, so since we're rounding to the nearest tenth, and I forgot to mention that the rest of the numbers turns into zeros, but you don't need to write the zeros. But however, if you're doing it with whole numbers, then you have to write the zeros. But if you're doing it with decimals, it is not necessary to write it with zeros, since those zeros are just placeholders. So now let's move on to the next example. So we got 3.72 example. Okay, so we're gonna underline the 10th digit again. Okay, now we're gonna look at the next number. If it is 5 or more, we add one more, but if it is 4 or less, we make it rest. So 2 is less than 5, sorry. So we're not gonna do anything. So since the number is smaller than 5, we're gonna make a rest. So we are not gonna do anything. So our answer is gonna be 3.7. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps a little bit, and bye.